Hello. I hadn't planned on making a video today because I've got so much to do really, but just checking my garlic, and I pulled one just to see how it was, and it's actually split. So what I'm going to do is harvest the rest of it now, just in case, I don't want it getting too far. And it has looked ready for a little while. I know it's a little bit early, but it looks ready. I've dug down and they've all formed cloves, so we'll see what we get. My first ever garlic harvest. Plus it will give me some bed space, and I'm desperate for bed space at the moment. So let's have a go. Right, I don't think that is that bad. I had a couple that split, a couple that they're okay, I can use them now, but I did really want to dry a lot of these so that we can use them throughout the year. So now I'm going to be furiously googling videos on how to cure your garlic or dry it out. But I'll show you the bad stuff. Like I said, I had a few that have split. So I think I was right in pulling them today. Most of them came out okay. I mean, I was really surprised actually. So the white one that I was growing was white Casablanca, and the purple was pink Germidar. They were both planted in October, as far as I recall, but I really didn't expect to be, see shoots like that and then have a bulb that size on the end of it. I thought they were all going to be teeny things like that. I mean, even that's not that bad. That's about the size of a supermarket bulb, that. But I mean, these things are huge. Let's hope they taste nice. So, as I said, I'm going to go away and Google what I need to do now, and then hang them up somewhere, and then get using the ones that are split. So yeah, I think the first, since it's the first time I've ever grown garlic, I think I've done pretty okay. Really chuffed with that actually. The smell is going to be amazing, I know.